Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's Kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making a spicy liver dish which takes less than 10 minutes to cook. Today I'm using mutton liver. If you wish, you can substitute it with either calf or beef liver. I washed the liver, dried it and then cut into very small pieces about 1-inch squares. To make the dish, I have taken 1 pound of mutton liver, 1/3 cup oil, 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. You can use fresh tomatoes if you wish. 2 tablespoons of julienne ginger. 1/4 cup chopped fresh coriander. 2 green chilies thinly sliced. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1½ tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves. Now these leaves will give the dish a very unique flavor and is a must for any liver recipe. But if this is not available, you can substitute dried mint. Besides that, we will need 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, half a teaspoon crushed chili peppers, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 2 ingredients that are not in the picture is 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We are going to start by marinating the liver. For that, we will add all the ground spices to the liver and the crushed chilies and 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice. Mix all the spices and the lemon juice into the liver and then let it rest in the fridge for about half an hour. I placed a large pan on high heat and added the oil. Once the oil is hot enough, we will add the cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds start to crackle, we will add the marinated liver. At this time, we will cook it on high heat for about 2 minutes. And then we will add the tomato puree. If you are using fresh tomatoes, now is the time that they will go in. Cut them into small pieces so they cook fast. It has been 2½ minutes since we added the tomatoes, and now we will add the ginger garlic paste. Cook the liver with the ginger garlic paste until the rawness of the ginger and garlic is gone. At this stage, I added about 2 tablespoons of water. If you are using fresh tomatoes, do not use any water. Up till now, it has been cooking on high heat, but now we will lower the heat from high to medium high and let it cook for about a minute. It's time to add the fenugreek leaves. Before adding, I rubbed them between my palms and that will help to release the flavor. After adding the fenugreek leaves, I've cooked it for about half a minute and now we will add half of the julienne ginger and half of the sliced green chilies. Fresh ginger and the green chilies will not only give this dish some heat but add tons of flavor. We will also add the salt at this stage. We add the salt so late in the recipe because if we had added the salt earlier, it would have made the liver tough. We will cook the liver with the salt for about a minute and then add the fresh coriander. Our liver dish is now ready to serve. Today I'm serving it with chapatis. If you're going to serve it with naan, add a few tablespoons of water and that will give you some gravy to soak up with the naan. Before serving, garnish it with the julienne ginger, the sliced green chilies and the fresh cilantro. Do try this recipe. I'm sure you're going to like it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and by pressing the bell icon button, you will get notifications for my upcoming recipes. Enjoy!